Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video I have a gift guide, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, I did film this makeup. It will be available next week, but I will link it down below. Let's start with the gift guide. This is for somebody that loves makeup, so we have some makeup products in here, but as well some other items that are not makeup related, but I would enjoy any of these. They are really good gifts in my opinion. And as well I want to mention, if you really don't know what to get for a person, a gift card is still really nice. I received some gift cards for Sephora a bunch of times actually, and I do enjoy picking my gift, so that is nice. I know that some people are not really in love with that, but depending on the person, it could still be a really great gift. The first thing that I want to mention, it is perfume, but I know it is very hard to gift somebody a perfume, and usually it is pretty expensive, but in here I'm talking about discovery sets. I'll put a picture with the Kylie one. I love Kylie. It is my favorite brand when it comes to perfumes. I just love the perfumes. Most of them are really nice for me and for my taste. I think a gift like this is nice because you are giving somebody multiple perfumes. They could test them. They could see if one is for them, and as well, even though these bottles are very tiny, you will get some usage, and I think it is a great gift. Next, I want to mention makeup kits in general, but especially blush. I will give some examples, but makeup brands around the holidays are creating some really nice kits with some mini products, and I think that is a really nice gift because the person could test multiple products, and if you already know those products in the kits or some of them are favorites of yours, you can gift them to somebody else. I think a Rare Beauty blush is always a great gift, and right now I know in the States this one comes in a mini as well. If you have a makeup lover, this is a great gift. And as well, Charlotte Tilbury has this kit with these two mini products. It is a great gift in my opinion because these two are really very hyped products. They are amazing products, so this is a really nice gift. And as well, the duo from Natasha Denona, I think it is a really nice one as well because you get a blush and a highlighter. It is a really small, compact but high quality, and I think that is a great gift. And as well, another example is this kit from Tarte. You can see here some mascara, some blush, some concealer. You can test multiple products, and I think this is really nice. Next, another one in the makeup category, it is lipstick or gloss. I think that is a pretty good gift again if you have a makeup lover. I have another kit from Tarte with these two minis, two different formulas, the normal one and the Plump. It's just a great kit overall, or a really nice compact with a really great lipstick. It is the Vive one. I am actually wearing it today. Something like this that looks really great, and again, if you know that the formula is nice, it is always great to get a really good product. Let's have some other examples that are not makeup related. First of all, a scrub. I know that it sounds kind of weird, but who doesn't love a scrub? And one that smells amazing. This is from Tree Hut. It is a watermelon shea sugar scrub, and I just really enjoy this one. It smells like watermelon candy. I love watermelon candy, and it's just a really nice one. It is a bit hydrating, and it is overall a good exfoliant, and I think it is a great gift. You can buy a body cream with this one as well if you want something a bit more, and it's just a great gift overall in my opinion. Another gift that I want to mention, but it's something a bit more specific, it's not for everybody. Of course I can mention a mug, but not everybody loves a mug. My best friend hates mugs, and not the mugs in general, but receiving mugs as a gift, because even though they are useful, at some point you have enough mugs in your collection. But of course, if somebody is collecting something, that is a great gift as well. So if they are collecting mugs, great gift. But socks. Yes, I know, it sounds stupid, but a good sock, it's really nice. And again, depending on the person. But I have a colleague at work that really loves Corky socks, so socks with fruits or socks with animals or stuff like that. Again, it sounds childish, but these kind of small things could make you very, very happy, and just it's nice to be a child from time to time. And if your friend is a reader, for sure a book is a really nice gift. And I think a good idea would be to give them 2 books. One that you are sure that they will enjoy, maybe from a writer that they are enjoying already, or a theme or something like that they already enjoy. And the second book with something a bit unexpected, because sometimes we are reading kind of similar type of books and it is a bit refreshing to read something else. So that could be a very interesting idea. Another gift that is amazing in my opinion, it is a scarf. I just love scarves. It is cold in Bucharest right now, so I'm using a scarf daily, and you can give them something very classic like this one, a white with some simple pattern on it, or just a basic one color scarf, and they could match that with multiple outfits. And of course you can give them something else that is cozy, a blanket for example. That is a great gift, a very, very fluffy and cozy blanket, and with that blanket you can give them tea or something like that, or a warm coffee type of drink or something like that. I think that is a nice combo. And if you are talking drinks, I think you can buy them a coffee advent calendar or a chocolate one. That could be great as well, and they could open that daily and enjoy like 12 days of Christmas coffee or Christmas drinks or Christmas tea or Christmas chocolate. And for the last one, we are going back to makeup, and I would like to recommend a 5 pen from Natasha Denona. Again, if the person that is receiving the gift, it is a makeup lover, I think these ones are just amazing gifts because they are great quality, they are small, and Natasha Denona is offering so many color stories. If your friend or relative is a makeup lover but likes only neutrals, Natasha Denona has that in a 5 pen. For example, this one is pretty neutral but with a bit of a twist. And if they are loving color, you can give them this one. It is the mini pastel palette, and this one is the mini retro. Natasha Denona has a lot of options. So these are all my recommendations. I hope this gift guide was helpful, and if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.